Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be having a wonderful tutorial on how I made this cross pattern. Alright, we'll be starting from knowing how the top was made. Sorry I was not able to make a beginning video of how I got to this extent, but it's not a big deal. What I did here is just I added marco at the middle and wrapped it up with a shiny material as I got to this, and after then you sew it in 3 lines based on the pattern. Then after that, so this extra part of it that are remaining, you're going to trim it off. For me, I didn't do mine like that. That's all about the top. So we're going straight to the floor. Now this is the pattern for the floor. Now you should know that before you start marking on your material, you should have the pattern first. So this is the pattern. I'm sorry too that I was not able to make a video on how I drew it, but to an extent it's self-explanatory. Now after you get the pattern, you're going to cut that middle part of it because I drew it first. You're going to cut it out and get to know the full side of the strap, like where you'll be placing the straps, the 2 cross pattern. So you mark the full side, draw everything on a carton paper or any paper that is strong first before taking to your material. Now this will be the result after drawing on your sheet of Nora. And then you see that middle part you cut out from the pattern, the carton pattern, right? You're going to take that middle part and draw it in the middle of the same Nora, and you're still cutting out. You understand? And when you are cutting out, I will not advise you to use any kind of knife. This should be the kind of knife you should use. Shoemaking knife. You have a name for it, but I've forgotten the name actually. Then you cut according to the line. Make sure you are cutting exact, because that was what you measured. So you cut exactly what you drew. Now after cutting out, this is what it will look like. See, you can see it came out perfectly well. And after that, you take the other part, you place it on top of a fiber. You are going to add fiber to it to make it strong, because if you are using it like that, it's going to give you problem at the end. So it's advisable you add fiber to it. After adding fiber, this is how it will look like. Now you see this middle part you cut out from the Nora. You're not throwing it out. You're going to add marco to the top of it to make it soft. Ignore this part of the video that is skipping. It's not actually skipping. I did it myself so that I will have time to explain. Alright, if you are using just marco to form that shape at the middle, it might give you a problem and it might not give you a problem. But what I did was, you see that Nora I cut out, I didn't throw it off. I added marco to the top of it, a very light marco, but I was not having light marco, so I used 2 mm and I filed it. Yes, and so after that, you start your wrap up with the same shiny material. Alright, then you file those extra off from the Nora. Now you see this middle, this plate, you're going to rub gum on it. You're going to rub gum on this thing you cut out, because you're going to add them together. Now after then, if you gum it, there's going to be lines at the edge. It's not going to gum properly. So what I will advise you to do is for you to glue it around. And when you are putting your super glue, you should be very careful. Don't do it so that it will stain the shiny material. Just there's a way I'm doing it. You will open the Nora, you open it, then you put your super glue inside, then you press it together. Understand? You're going to do it neatly, because if it appears, this is your floor, sorry, if it appears, it's going to be a rough work, so you have to do it properly. So after that, you're going to create 4 holes in the floor so that those 2 straps can pass in. You understand? And after that, you're going to fix it on it, and also fix a last on it to get the proper shape. And after that, you gum it for sure. Alright, then if you look at the photograph properly, you won't see where there is a white line. Now if you are leaving this fiber like this, there's going to be a white line around the palm, which is going to be a bad work. And so to avoid that, you're going to cut out this fiber around this floor. You're going to cut it out. But there's another way you can do it, but that's the way I did mine. So after cutting, you're going to file it round. But this time I filed everything, because after now I will be gumming it direct. Alright, so I rubbed gum on this and also on the sole. Please, before I forget, this is the sole. Sorry I didn't show you on time. This is how the sole look like. So after gumming and everything, this is what I got. Gumming and maintenance, so this is what I got. Meanwhile, it's already dark because the palm took a lot of my time actually. This is it. It's very easy. And please, if you know you enjoyed the video, like, share, comment, and even give a subscription. Turn on the notification button to be the first to always see our post. Thank you. Bye.